This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to convert Bitcoin to British pounds online. So this is a calculator right here. It's BTC to GBP. You can find it at, I like to use this one actually. This is the Coinbase one, coinbase.com. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that URL in the video description just below this video as a link, so you can just click on the link and you'll wind up right here. So all you need to do, you can actually convert by a whole bunch of different cryptocurrencies right here and a whole bunch of different currencies right here. But we're doing BTC to GBP, we're doing Bitcoin to British pounds right here. Let's say that you have, I know, 1.25 Bitcoin. That works out currently at £80,029.16, as you can see right here. So maybe you have, I know, let's say you have 5 Bitcoin, that's £320,000, £320,116.65 right there. So super simple converter. You can get your answer very, very quickly. That's the Coinbase one. There's also this one right here. This is the one at unitconverters.com. I'll again put that link in the video description for this one. This one has a little bit more of a breakdown. Again, you can do lots of different popular currencies and cryptocurrencies and all of the variations right there. So you can do BTC to GBP right here. Let's see, you have 1.5. That converts immediately to £96,203.32, and you can see the result right there. And then it will also break down right here with this conversion table as well. That might be quite useful. So I just thought that one might be quite useful for you, which just goes into a little bit more detail than the Coinbase one does. But I've given you two options here. Hopefully you've found this video on how to convert from Bitcoin to British pound useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.